Good morning, children. Uh, Today we will do chapter 12 of your grammar articles, page number 37. So, children, in this chapter we will do first definition of articles, then types of articles, then the written work exercise A we will do in book page number 39, and exercise B we will do in your classwork copy page number 40. Understand? So, first, what is article? The word a and an and the three words a and the are called articles. For example, a chair, an apple, the sun. If you see, with vowels we use an. For example, apple starts with a is vowel, so all the noun which starts with vowel, usually we put an before that word, and other with consonant we put a, and with some specific or particular noun we put the before that. Types. There are two types of articles we use in a sentence: indefinite article and number two is definite article. A and an are called indefinite articles. Example: a book, a ball, an onion, an almond. So a and an are called indefinite. Understand? This you will find in your book also. When any word starts with a vowel, we use an before it. Second type is definite article. The is called the definite article. It is used in the following condition: when common noun is repeated in a sentence. Example: this is a glass, the glass is white. Means the noun glass is repeated in this sentence. So when we use second time the same noun in a sentence, we put the before when we repeat the sentence. When we are pointing to any particular noun, that means specific. Example: can you see the parrot on the branch? Means specific parrot. The narrator is asking that can you see the parrot, not any parrot but the particular sitting on the branch. So before the noun we use the parrot. Understand? The branch. Continuation of definite article. We use the before the noun which are unique and the only one. Specific. For example, the sun, the earth. We use the before the names of rivers, ocean, mountains, lakes, deserts, religious books, etc. For example, Ravi is a river. So when we use in a sentence, we will write the Ravi, the Pacific Ocean, the Sahara Desert, the Holy Quran. Means these all things are specific and only one of their kind. We use the before the third degree of adjectives. Example: Ali is the tallest boy in the class. Tallest is the third degree of tall. Tall, taller, tallest. So we use the before the third degree of adjective. Whenever we are using third degree of adjective, we use the before that. Next, we use the before the title of any noun. Example, the president, the Qaid-e-Azam means they are the titles of a specific person or position. So when we write in a sentence, we write the president of Pakistan. We use the after the word both and all if used in a sentence. Example, I like both the dresses. We don't say I like both dresses. I like both the dresses. All the students. We don't say all students. We say all the students will go on picnic. So before both and all, we use the. Okay. Sometimes we don't use the. That means omission. Omission means to delete or not to use. We don't use the in the following condition. First, before the name of a person, city, country, village. Example, Salman is a name of a person. We don't say the Salman. Karachi, we don't say the Karachi. Okay, so before the name of person, city, country or village, we don't use the word article the. Before the name of languages and subjects. Example, English is a language, mathematics is subject. So we don't use the before them. Before the name of material or abstract noun. Example, silver is a name of material, honesty is an abstract noun. Now children, open your book, page number 36. I will explain you the exercises, how you have to do. You have to do these exercises in your book only. For example, exercise A, correct the following sentences using punctuation. Number 1, I am a student. So the question mark is there after the sentence. But if you see, this is not a question, this is a statement. I am a student. So we will put full stop after the student, not question mark. So you will write in the line, I am a student, and after student you will put full stop, not question mark. Nasreen, will you go with me? So after Nasreen, this is a name, we will put comma. Nasreen, will you go with me? So like this you have to do till 8. Now exercise B, number 1, there is a bird on the branch. So first letter is, should be capital. Yes, very good. So T should be capital here. There is a bird on the branch. And if you see, there is no full stop at the sentence. So again we have to put full stop. So in this sentence you have to do two things. You have to make first word capital and full stop at the end of the sentence. Number 2, what are you drinking? So this is not a statement, this is a question. Yes, very good. What are you drinking? So there is no question mark at the end of this sentence. So when you will rewrite this sentence, you will put question mark at the end of the sentence. Like this you complete this. Then exercise C, tick the correct option. Which is the symbol of comma? A, question mark, B, exclamation mark, C, this is comma, and D, full stop. So the correct option is C. Good. Like this you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So beta, we have finished the chapter punctuation today. I hope you understand and do the practice, okay, and do these 3 exercises in your book. Allah Hafiz and take care.